Question number 8 is about some people called Eddie and Caroline. They're going to the school play. Eddie buys 6 adult tickets and 2 children's tickets, and he pays £39. And Caroline buys 5 adult tickets and 3 children's tickets, and she pays £36.50. We are asked to work out the cost of an adult ticket and the cost of a child ticket. We can do this by forming some simultaneous equations. Finding what the first equation is pretty simple. You use A for adult tickets and C for child tickets, and we can put 6 lots of A, 6A, plus 2 lots of C is equal to £39. That's our first equation, so I'm going to call it equation number 1. Equation number 2 comes from Caroline. She has bought 5 adult tickets and 3 children's tickets, and she spent £36.50. These numbers are not the nicest when it comes to simultaneous equations, because you have to have a coefficient of either term that is the same. Looking at the A term, that's a 6, that's a 5, they're not the same, and the 2 and the 3, they're not the same either. So we are going to counteract that by multiplying the whole equation. Equation number 1. 1 is going to be multiplied by 3, and 2 is going to be multiplied by 2. If we do that, we can make the coefficient of the C term the same. You could have done it for the A term if you wanted, but I think it's easier to do it for the C term in this particular example. So I'm going to get equation number 3, and that is going to be 6 lots of A multiplied by 3. Whole equation needs to be multiplied by this number. It's going to give me 18A plus 6C equals 39 times 3 is 117. Again, you can use calculator if you need to. And then for the other equation, equation 4, we're going to multiply by 2, so we're going to get 10A plus 6C, which is what we wanted. We wanted these to have the same number, so we can eliminate them, is equal to £36.50 times 2 is £73. Now, what we've got is to decide, this is the next step, is to decide how to eliminate this 6C term. So if you were to think about a positive amount of 6C's and you took away 6C's, then you would have no 6C's. So I'm looking at subtracting. Okay, now a way that you can remember this, if the signs are the same, you take away. That's a thing you can remember. If the signs are the same, you can take away. And you have to take away each part of the equations. So you have 18A minus 10A leaves you with 8A. That is equal to 117 minus 73. Need my calculator. Not going to make a mistake on this. Minus 73 is equal to 44. Don't like taking away. So we've got 44, and then we've got A is equal to, and then if we divide by 8, we're going to find out what 1A equals. So divide that by 8 is equal to £5.50 or 5.5. But remembering the context of the question, 5.5 is going to be £5.50. So there's a pound symbol, £5.50. So an adult ticket is £5.50. Great. We found some stuff out. We need to get the rest of the marks by finding the cost of the child ticket. So you use that fact you've just found out the cost of the adult ticket in any one of the equations to work out the cost of the child ticket. I'm going to put it into equation number 1. So into equation number 1, it goes 6 multiplied by 5.5 plus 2 lots of C equals 39. Only thing I've done is substitute in £5.50 for the letter A in equation number 1. That's the only thing that's different. So 6 times 5.5, let's do that. So multiply it by 6 equals 33. 33 plus 2 lots of children's tickets equals £39. I need to make C the thing on its own in this equation, so let's solve the equation, simple linear equation now. Take away the 33 from both sides gives us 2C equals 6, and then we divide both sides by 2 and we get C equals 3. We've solved the equation, and we found out that the child ticket is £3.